In this video, I will show you how to stop or disable Google tracking on your Google Smart TV without any stress. Quite a lot of people that are using Google TV or Android TV are not aware of this, that Google is been tracking your activity and everything you do on your Google TV. How can you disable Google tracking, or how you can turn off the Google tracking on your Google TV or Android TV without any stress? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and proceed to your home tab on your Google TV. Go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on OK from settings. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to privacy right here. Under the privacy, next thing you want to do is to go to usage and diagnostic, click on OK, and here you go. Usage and diagnostic automatically send the diagnostic device and app usage data to Google. This will help improve system and have stability and other improvement. Some aggregate data will help Google apps and partners such as TV app developer. If your additional web activity is turned on, this data may be saved to your Google account and you can learn more. All you have to do is simply turn off this Google tracking right here and you are done. It's that simple. You can easily come back to your home tab right here and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your Google TV and some important settings in your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.